From morning, I have been getting the information from all the social medias stated that Dharma Russalam is absconded. I searched whether it is correct or not. Then I found different answers from different sides. One of the person said that the Dharmaraj Russalam admitted in a leading hospital at Trivandrum in the mentally that means psychiatrist department, and admitted for 2 days, and yesterday he discharged from there and moved to Chennai. And some of our friends said that it is not Chennai, he went to Malaysia. He is coming back on 4th, and 5th itself he is going to the Russalam and some other countries for 50 to 60 days. Why he is going? Whether he is a mentally depressed patient, or maybe he is purposefully doing this type of activities, all the things that should be analyzed in this video. So please note that the Russalam Dharmaraj was investigated, or that means ED department is searching his activities. Due to the multiple criminal activities, ED inquiry is going on against of him. He was called so many times and inquiring about so many illegalities. Income tax department also doing inquiry due to multiple PAN card, and external department is also doing the same thing because of foreign exchange issues. So, due to multiple crimes, this person is in a depressed mode. That is true. But at the same time, whether he is really affected by psychiatric issues or not, that is another issue that we have to think over it. Because since we know that there are certain criminals doing something, acting something as like this during their time of, if the police is trying to arrest, or maybe the ED is going to arrest, if they feel there will be issues to their life, they will act like this. So like that, whether he has acted like that or not, that is also an issue. And further, I searched with some other techniques. Some of our friends said that he has appointed 2 moderator commissary for KCD and SKD. KCD means Karnataka Central Diocese and the South Kerala Diocese. These are all, these 2 are the subunits of Church of South India Trust Association, a charity company. So, this company, we know that Dharmaraj Russalam is the employee getting salary, PF, bonus from the company, and he was acting as a superintendent of evangelical department of a particular unit. On this situation, whether he can appoint or not, or he has the right or not, that I don't know, because a employee cannot appoint some other employee in the unit. But unfortunately, the people are believing that this man is an administrator, he is having all powers. In my knowledge, a company's employee who is getting salary, PF, pension, after retirement getting salary, cannot appoint anybody in the unit. So, here that is also unbelievable, may be correct or may not be correct. That I cannot believe it. On this situation, I searched some other situation that it is existing in the CSITA company. I searched there are court cases, it is going on due to the voluntarily fixing the age of their retirement. We know these peoples, they have saying that their retirement is 60 or 65 and 67 or 70, whatever it may be, they are not fixing based on constitutional rights. They are doing everything illegally. That is why recently they have raised and they themselves said saying that the retirement age of evangelical department employees are 70. They made a Zoom meeting and conducted the illegal election. What has happened now? In the Telangana state, Jagatyal court ordered that this is illegal. The stay is there. Do not act according to the Zoom meeting, illegal meetings. I searched another judgment. Honorable the Bangalore High Court said that KCD's resolution is illegal and it has been stopped. Then there are another case it is going on in the Chennai, another 2-3 cases were there. Another one case, there is an order that it is stated that the synod has been stopped. That cannot function. Synod cannot function. Why it is, we know that the synod is illegal and churches have no registration, no PAN card, no the property, no building, no taxation, PAN card or anything is nothing is with the church. Everything is owned by CSITA company. On this situation, these people saying that diocese has unregistered organization, synod has unregistered organization, and they have every constitutional right. How? I don't know. Unregistered organization, how they can have their rights as well as constitution and all these things. But illegally, they are saying like this. They have filed the case in the Madras High Court single bench, and during that argument of the time of synod advocate, the honorable judges asked a question. How you can run the schools and colleges without registration and PAN card? The senior counsel appeared for synod, he confused himself. Without his, I think his tongue is tongue sleeping. I don't know what has happened now. He didn't expect this question because it is a registered organization. All dioceses are the units of CSITA, and the audit report of the CSITA company stated that it is a unit of the company. But these people, hiding all this truth, they are filing the cases and stated that the dioceses are unregistered. CSI is unregistered and having all the things. But till now, I couldn't find any valid document for CSI. CSI is nothing. So, on this situation, the judges asked whether it is registered or unregistered. How you can run a school or college or hospital or any institution without registration and PAN card? This advocate, the senior counsel, get confused, and since he didn't expect such a question from the honorable judges, and he confused and stated that synod will not do anything and synod will not act, something like that. So, this the honorable judge noted this point and stated that synod stayed the synod. The resolution, the synod, now the synod is 0. Synod cannot act. So, on this situation, these people cannot do anything. On this situation, what they want to do or what they plan to do, that is a great question for your thinking as well as our discussion. You see, one side I said that due to police tightening the belt and ED tightening the belt, they at any time he may be arrested. So, he is in the critical position. So, there is a possibility for mental treatment. So, another thing is, here also there are court cases that is also affecting them, and the court they said that no synod can act. That means synod should not act, and stay has been given against the synod, one side. So, on this situation, what he did? There is there are certain experts saying that the criminals are doing this type of activities during the time of their tightening positions. That means if they are in the unescapable situation, they will act like this. So, now there is a position, they are stated that their age, retirement age shall be 70. So, they took a leave for 60 days and they went back, and they are waiting for the order of the courts for the coming month, because they, now it is a vacational month. For 1 month there is no case, all the courts are in vacational leave. So, during that time he cannot act, so that he is waiting to get the order. There is a possibility. A type of thinking and discussion is going on that way. On this situation, I am asking and presenting such a situation in front of you people. Please think over it and comment it in the video, and that will be helpful to you as well as me, to some other viewers and our CSI company. If your valuable comments shall be highly appreciated, and if you like it, please share it all the CSI companies beneficiaries, that means CSI churches people, and subscribe it also. Thank you.